Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatosin Abike. If you're new to this channel or you're seeing my face for the first time, please subscribe and put on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And to my old subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for, sticking with me. Today, I want to give you a review about some of the most active supplements in the market right now. There's so much of them, as we all know. There's so much of them, but it's actually important to choose the right one and the one that's actually going to be beneficial for your skin and active, obviously, that's going to achieve your desired goal. In no particular order, I'm going to go through them and then maybe explain how to use one or two of them. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Gluta White Sparkle. Gluta White Sparkle. It says Gluta White Sparkle, L-Glutathione Plus, White Brilliant, lighten spots and dullness, reveal the timeless beauty that is you. Formulated with L-Glutathione, ascorbic acid. And it says skin whitening for face and body. Gluta 2 times white skin, better than injection. I personally take these supplements and I really like it. It's made with cherry and blueberry. Yes, that's it. So the flavor is cherry and blueberry. This is really nice, guys. It tastes amazing. I'm gonna show you how I take it. So this is my own personal one that I use every day. According to the instruction, it says dilute 1 scoop of the powder into 150 ml of cool water and drink in the morning before breakfast or in the night before bed. So I personally take it in the morning. I take it first thing in the morning with my other supplements. I take like 4 other supplements, so yes, I'm going to show you how I do it. So this is it. It's got a cap. And I've got my 150 ml water ready. So when they say the scoop, so make sure you fill up the scoop, right? And just, that's it. So once you put the scoop in it, you just shake it very well. Like shake it. Shake it very well. And just drink it. That's it. It tastes delicious. It tastes amazing, guys. Imagine something that makes your skin glow and tastes like I put a bit of ice in mine, so sorry. I love it cold. It's amazing, guys. Yeah. But yeah, so that's how you take that one. Once again, Gluta White Sparkle. Really nice, guys. Let me go back to what it says on the container. It says Pro Whitening, Beauty Flawless Weight Loss. So it does help with weight loss as well. It's not a dramatic weight loss, but I think it helps with belly fat. Yeah, I think it helps you get that flat belly, so it's brilliant, guys. It's really nice. It's one of the best one I've used so far anyway. I like it a lot. It's made by the same company that done the collagen and the phyto booster. I'm going to talk about those ones as well because I do take them as well. Well, before I was taking these, I took those. Then I'm having a break from that. Then I move on to these, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it whole, I don't really have a favorite out of all of them yet. I just want to finish this bottle first, then I can make up my mind. The next supplement I'm going to talk about is the Phyto Collagen, King of Skin Whitening. 19 times stem cell, and it has 65,000 mg of L-Glutathione. It says #1 anti-aging formula, anti-pigmentation, weight loss, and anti-acne. This is really, really nice, guys, as well. This is the one I actually started with, and I fell in love with it so much. Like, I loved it. I still love it, because I still have some that is not finished. You know, I really, really like them. It tastes amazing. This one tastes like do I remember it tasted? It tastes like blackcurrant. Yes, it tastes just like blackcurrant. It tastes delicious. So this is used the same way you use the Gluta White Sparkle, which I demonstrated earlier. So you put 150 ml of cool water in a cup, and you put 1 scoop of the powder. You can have it in the morning, or in the morning before breakfast, or in the night before bed. So you shake it very well as well, just like the other one, and then you just drink it. That's it. Delicious, right? The next supplement on my list is the Phyto Booster Whitening. This one says #1 anti-aging formula, anti-pigmentation, super glowing, anti-acne as well. And this one says beauty, flawless, and energy. This doesn't have any weight loss remedy in it. So if you're looking for a weight loss skin whitening supplement, you should opt for the other ones. So this tastes like strawberry. That's the flavor of this one. This tastes delicious as well. I've tried them all, right? Yes, I have. You know, because I like to, not really like, well, I like to experiment, but not much of an experiment, because I like to know what they taste like, and I do like to know what it does on the skin. And I've used the 3 of them, and I love them whole. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't know which one is my favorite yet, but I know I do love them. And if I was to actually pick that, oh, okay, which one should I go for, which one should I go for, I don't know. So I have them all, you know. But obviously I wouldn't take them all at the same time, you know, but I do really like them. I like the flavor, I like the taste, I like the I like the formula. It tastes really nice. It tastes like you're drinking juice, not even you're drinking medicine. The next supplement on my list is Satin Skin, guys. Satin Skin. This tastes really nice as well. This is chewy, so you chew it. There's 2 in the box. The pink one, there's a pink one and there's a blue one. So you take 1 of this in the morning, 1 of this in the morning as well, and in the night as well you take 1 of each as well, so morning and night. And this one has glutathione, collagen, ascorbic acid, and in the blue one it has glutathione as well, collagen, ascorbic acid, apple extract, and astaxanthin. I can't really say that word very well, guys, so you're gonna have to pardon me, you know. So, but yeah, it has that as well. And this one can be used by a pregnant lady and nursing mothers as well. So I think it says you can use it from 6-month pregnancy and up, and then even while you're breastfeeding you can use it as well. So, which is very safe and nice. I take this as well. But okay, now one thing I have to tell you about this. A lot of people say it's for skin whitening. I don't think, from personal experience, I don't think it's much of a skin whitening, but it makes your skin glow. It makes you have that flawless, glowing, amazing looking skin, you know. So I take this along with my powder. So yes, because I take this for the glowiness, for the glowing side effects of it, you know. So I don't think it's much of a whitening, like I've seen people talk about, but I personally don't think it does the whitening, but I know it makes you glow. Alright, so the next supplement on my list is the Jaw White Crystal Skin. There's been a lot of rave on this supplement, guys, a lot, you know. But the thing about it is, this supplement is really good. It's really good. It's made with camel extract, hyaluronic acid, premium sea pearl, vitamin C, glutathione, and L-cysteine. I cannot say that word, guys, but yeah. Anyways, the some people have been saying that these supplements, right, glows you, so no, make you white after 3 tablets, after 3 capsule. That's a lie. That's a lie, guy. It whitens you, but not after 3 capsules. No, not definitely not after 3 capsules. You know, so yeah, you will get whiter skin using it. You know, but I think before you finish the bottle, you would definitely notice a difference in your skin. I started noticing like my skin was a bit softer, you know, but not white after. I wasn't even white after finishing a bottle, but I do notice that definitely something was working, you know. And at first I kept saying to people that I don't see it, but everyone else was seeing it. Everyone was like, oh no, your skin, everywhere I go people were commenting on my skin. They're saying that your skin looks nice, red hair, you know. So I know it was working, but I just couldn't see it, because I had it in my head that after 3 capsules I was gonna get whiter skin. But it doesn't work like that, guys. It doesn't. So I'm just being real with you, you know. Really good. Definitely give it a try. Definitely. So guys, it's really good. Definitely do give it a try. Give it a try. It's nice. You know, just be realistic with the results. You know, it works really well with this ascorbic acid, the vitamin C. I actually personally think you can use any vitamin C as long as it's over 1000 mg, where lots of people use this together and they've seen great results from it. Another supplement that's being used with it that's proven to be really good is the Elobay. So this 3 combination is actually really nice, you know. So the Elobay, some people use, because the jaw white is every other day, so they now use the Elobay the days they don't use the jaw whites. Or better still, you can use them all together. You know, it works perfectly together. You know, so I think it's worth a try, guys. So guys, I'm going to be ending this video for this episode of the supplements. Like I mentioned earlier, there's so much supplements in the market, so you can actually try them, you know. But obviously just be careful and be very selective about the ones you're going to use, and make sure you know the ingredients and the source, and make sure you get the original one. It's very important that you use original products, because obviously we all know that there's so much fake products in the market. So guys, thank you very much for watching it till this moment, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're new. Please turn on the notification bell so you can get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you very much, guys. Once again, is your girl Oluwatosin Abike. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.